Y'all, I just finished washing my hair. Okay, it's just so short. So I'm just supposed to put some of this in here. I know it's not leave-in conditioner, but mind your business. Today we gonna act like it is. I just want to get some like moisture in it before I, you know, braid it up. What my hair looks like. It's not super long, but it's long enough to do this style, so.
You a murder, me. She said she want murder. I'm the guy you never heard of. So back it up and put it on a brother. Baby girl, I know you want murder.
I actually like my hair short because it's less work. You know what I'm saying? Like it's getting calm on now. Yikes. That's why we about to keep them in braids. I just don't have time, you know what I'm saying? Like, my wig was looking whack, and I was like, you know what? Let me go get some braiding hair. I wanted to do dreads, but, you know, I've never actually done dreads, and I just needed to know I was gonna look cute. You ever need, like, I need to be positive that I'm gonna look cute next week. Mind you, y'all, look at my makeup line. I'm screaming. Whatever. Again, mind your business. I'm trying to look cute for the video for y'all, so. But okay, I'm about to part all this hair, and then I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna part it, put the rubber bands in it. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of what I'm doing, and then we're gonna be back. This is so hard, y'all. I'm trying to record just so y'all can see, but I'm literally just taking this in the front. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're doing jumbo braids, so I'm literally just gonna part like 3 of these and then make them braid. Put my rubber bands on. Here's one. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder. Then I'm going to flip it. Don't pull too hard because you don't want it to like hurt your hair. And I'm actually going to twist it this time and see if I like that. If I like it better braided and twisted. We gonna see. Then I'm gonna just do that again. And I'm hoping to have like only a couple braids. Like I really don't want to, like I don't want to be braiding my hair long for a long amount of time, if you know what I'm saying. So let me just do that. Second one, and you're literally just gonna do this throughout your hair. Okay, you guys. Put the rubber band in. Pull. Don't pull too hard because you don't want to give yourself a headache. And then twist. Twist, 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 twist. Hallelujah. Okay, last one. My camera's about to die. The space on my camera about to run out. She said she want murder. Same thing. I'm the guy you never heard. Rubber band. Hey y'all. My hair all finished. Your face, your eyes looking very nice. And I literally just did exactly what I showed y'all. And now I'm about to get the hair and I'm gonna cut it because I'm doing shorter braids. Like they're gonna be chunky, but they're not gonna be long. Don't make it time to do that. So I'm literally gonna take one of these and I'm gonna cut them in half. So I'm just gonna show y'all and then get into braiding. Literally, I'm just gonna cut it. Cut it in half so that when I'm braiding, it's short. Honestly, I might cut it short right here. I want it short, so it's gonna be pretty short and chunky. So let's get right into it. The way that you wind that booty on me, you make me wanna sign that booty for me. I'll do you
me girl, me say carry on. Say girl, I really like the way that you carry your body. Say girl, you can stand by me anywhere all day, girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. You're a naughty, naughty girl. Oh, I say I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. Oh Lord of His mercy, she a murder me. She did murder me. His body, baby, oh. Vicky's bad man, I see. Bulaka. Yeah.
2015. Yeah, man. Don't touch it.
I sing, oh, see, make you watch how I rise, oh, hey, to the top, I will rise, oh, hey, what a hater, Tabari me no streets, what a hater, Tabari me no Benz, what a hater, what a hater.
Watch how I rise from nothing to something. Back in 06 when nobody was watching. Tabari me nissing. Why say boy you was stunting? Real G Lomo, I swear it is nothing but hard work, dedication. Going through my education, been a long time coming. Almost not preparation. Watch how I switch around some English to Yoruba. Mo fe come up with goons, me ni mo gbewa. In Kotowalo Rini, Opo Santa's backpack. Mo kofe walk and drop hits back to back. So timba release on me, boy, better respect that. We on shit Drake, but this is my aftermath.
Make you watch how I rise, oh, hey, to the top, I will rise, oh, hey, what a hater, Tabari me no streets, what a hater, Tabari me no Benz, what a hater, what a hater,
Wally hater, Wally rated, flow better than bad, Wally underrated. I'll only switch flows and still sound tighter. Lion no more air, she tiger. Mo bear lati sale and I'm aiming higher. To bury me in the street, mo my hele. To buy the phone vexy, mo my bone. I'm all about my money and I'm all about my stacks. I'm not trying to have beef with nobody. I did my own lane, I no send anybody, man.
See, make you watch how I rise, oh, hey, to the top, I will rise, oh, hey, what a hater, Tabari me no streets, what a hater, Tabari me no Benz, what a hater, what a hater.
V-Kills, what up?
Bad man, I see you.
Yeah. V-Kills. Bad man. Ha. T-Bone. Yeah. L to the B. Yeah. Yep. I want balls, let me. I want balls, let me. Yeah. I want balls, let me. 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 Talk about remedy, see why say I want balls, let me. 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 Talk about remedy, see why say I want balls, let me. Eminem boss, LA Berry, lower Rick Ross. We did ball every day like say we did for court. I done bebo Bojati, cause we call these shots. All these other niggas know that they can't sit with us. Riding round town with a group of shorties, killing all these rap niggas like it's nothing. Popping the bottles, popping the balls, I know they can't stop me. Killing these niggas, I'm killing these niggas, I know they can't stop me. I want balls, let 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 me. Talk about remedy, see why say I want balls, let me. 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 Talk about remedy, see why say I want balls,
They
let me.
say I'm far from the toilet, but they know that I'm the shit. I'ma blow up in the spine, down on my grind, I never quit. Check my style, check my flow, lyrically they feeling me. Success is like masturbation, by my hand I make my income. For real son, I drop the kind of flow that they can't handle. It's kinda funny why the girls keep asking for my handle. See the boys flyer than them, cause me I know be novice. That kind of small boy where they give landlord quit notice, huh?
I want balls, let me. 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 Talk about remedy, see why say I want balls, let me. 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 Talk about remedy, see why say I want balls, let me.
To ni ne sarki babba, in na fara lafazi zaka ji sun ce ai ni ne oga. To no time for dawling now, cause they see me rapping now, and you go be tripping now. Ai ni ne babba, ba wani kare mai haushi, ya jiki ko ka sha naushi, cause I'm dropping punches now. So better watch your mouth, cause you know we underground. Killing you with my sound, then you know that we run this town. I'm the king of the streets, so I'm a boss, nigga.
I want balls, let me. 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 Talk about remedy, see why